guys. There you go. What you doing? What you doing, Fiona? What you doing, sweetheart? Huh? Auntie Carmen. Auntie Carmen. Auntie Carmen. Papa just ran off. Papa just ran off. What's he doing? He's a grumpy. He's a grumpy one. Doesn't want to play with the puppies. Doesn't want to play with the puppies. Come here, baby. Duncan. Duncan. You're Fiona. You're Fiona. He's over there. Come here, Duncan. Come here, bub. Come here. Stay right here. Don't wander off too far. Don't need you climbing underneath couches, or going underneath couches, I should say. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. You want attention now, huh? You burn off all that energy? No? You said, no, I'm going to bite you. I want to play with you now. I want to play with you now. You look like you're getting a little tuckered out. No, not my rug. Duncan. No. You guys always love chewing the corner of the rugs. You got chew bones and everything else. And chew toys. But you prefer rugs. Alrighty, guys. I think you're tuckered out. So I think that'll be it for the videos. But, yes, puppy's at 8 weeks old. Gotta love them. You're a sweetie. I don't want to stop filming you. No. No, but we'll be here all day doing videos. Yeah. Alright, guys.